Have you ever thought of what's going on in the background of your PC while it idles? Fear not, as Windows Resource Monitor is able to sniff out what's lurking in your PC's background for you. Resource Monitor is a built-in utility by Windows which displays information about the use of hardware and software resources in real time. It also helps in identification of malicious files which can be terminated with this program. The Resource Monitor has a series of tabs across the top of Overview, CPU, Memory, Disk, and Network. Information on each section headers can be collapsed or expanded by clicking on the arrow. By checking the box next to the process, it will narrow down on CPU, memory, and network, the resources of that process. To the right, graphs such as CPU usage, disk, network, and memory speed are shown. In this video, we'll be focusing on the network and CPU section. Under the network section, there's network activity and TCP connections, but let's have a look at TCP connections list first. It shows each and every process that is ongoing with the local address, that is my system, which external address that is making connection to, and the ports that they are using. Packet loss percentage and latency are shown here as well. This is a place where we can determine IPs that we deem suspicious, for example, the process MMSS host.exe. I think I have not seen it before and it looks questioning. To make sure that this connection is not compromised, we can just check the remote IP on websites like iptracker.org to see if it's legit. Here you are able to see everything that's related to network activity and live connection that is ongoing. With the listing of all live connections, you might be able to find suspicious or unfamiliar connections that might spoof themselves to look legit. For example, MMSS host.exe. So to avoid further data damage or theft, we can check the box, right-click on the process, and click End Process Tree to kill the current program and all related services and applications it is using. In the CPU section, by choosing a process, you can see all the handlers and modules that's related and in use by the process. Handlers are pointers that reference files, registry keys, directories, and other things, while modules are helper files such as DLL files used by processes to perform their tasks. PID uniquely identifies an active process. Type references to the type of handlers such as ALPC port, desktop, directory, event, files, and many more. Here you can find the list of names of handlers. You can search for a specific handler in this search bar as well. In associated modules, process IDs are displayed here like above. The module names, versions, and full path with most of the files in DLL format are shown here as well. Since MMSS host.exe was found suspicious, we can navigate through the full path section to find the folder of this running process to do investigation about it. So we can find it right here. That will be all from me today. Thanks for watching.